my bag. No one can say they didn't see me then.
Well, I was going to get one. I've got a couple of. Well, we all have a phone. Go to yours. A couple of tops, collection tops. So if you get
In the car, yeah. Well, that's what I wear this.
Yeah, you're 30 years younger than us, so you're
Yeah.
We have. That's how we got.
Oh, they're all electric, are they?
Yeah.
We wouldn't have got here without them.
Well, not me. I'm not cycling. I'd rather walk.
They're brilliant.
Right, guys, should we get on the
Anyway, enjoy your day. Throw in the
day.
stone.
Similar.
Not going on social media though, is it?
Could do.
I always didn't.